Our today lecture is based on switch reluctance motor. I have divided this lecture in several parts. In these parts, we will discuss about construction and basic operation of switch reluctance motor. A switch reluctance motor, that is known as in short form SRM, drives for industrial application or for recent origin. Since 1969, a variable reluctance motor has been proposed for variable speed applications. Origin of this motor can be tracked back to 1842, but the invention has been possible due to the advent of inexpensive high-power switching devices. Even though this machine is a type of synchronous machine, it has certain novel features. Construction of switch reluctance motor. Switch reluctance motor are made up of laminated stator and rotor core with NS of 2 MQ poles on the stator and NR poles on the rotor. The number of phases is M and each phase is made up of concentrated coil placed on 2Q stator poles. Most favored configuration amongst many more options as are 6-4 3-phase and 8/6-4 4-phase switch reluctance motor as shown in the figure 3.8. This is the figure 3.8 B and this is for 6/4 poles switch reluctance motor. This is for 8/6 pole switch reluctance motor. These two configurations are correspond to Q equal to 1 pair of which means one pair of stator poles and coils per phase. But Q may be equal to 2, 3 when for the 3-phase machines we obtain 12/8 or 18/12 topologies applied either for low speed, high torque, direct drives or for high speed stator generator system for aircraft. This is figure. The stator and rotor poles angle beta S and beta R. Beta S for the stator angle and beta R always for rotor. Are in general almost equal to each other to avoid zero torque zone. It has wound field coil of DC motor for its stator windings and has no coils or magnets on its rotor. Both the stator and rotor have salient poles. Hence the machine is referred to as a doubly salient machine. Such a typical machine is shown in figure 3.18. This is 3.18 each and a modified version with two teeth per pole is shown in figure 3.2b. This is a 2. There is single teeth, there is two teeth. The rotor is aligned whenever diametrically diametrically opposite stator poles are excited. in magnetic circuit. The rotating member prefers to come to the minimum reluctance position at the instant of excitation. This is concept of minimum reluctance position. Name this motor is switch reluctance motor. While two rotor poles are aligned to the two stator poles, another set of rotor poles is out of alignment, with respect to a different set of stator poles. Then, set of stator poles is excited to bring the rotor poles into alignment with the switch reluctance formation. Okay. Similarly, by sequentially switching the current into stator windings, the rotor is rotated. The movement of rotor, hence the production of torque and power, involve switching of current into stator winding when there is a variation of reluctance. Therefore, this variable speed motor drive is referred to as switch reluctance motor drive. Basic operation of switch reluctance motor. Consider that rotor poles R1 and R1 dash and it has stator poles C and C dash. Here is the R1 and R1 dash and stator pole C and C dash. This is the R2 dash and B and B dash. This one is A dash. Three-way binding on the stator. Apply current to phase with the current direction as shown in figure 2.8. A flux is established through stator poles A and A dash and rotor poles R2 and R2 dash, which tends to pull the rotor poles R2 and R2 dash towards the stator poles A and A dash, respectively. When they are aligned, the stator current of phase is turned off and corresponding situation is shown in figure 3.2b. In this situation, now the stator winding is excited, pulling R1 and R1 dash towards B and B dash in a clockwise direction. Similarly, energization of C phase winding resulting in the alignment of R2 and R2 dash with C and C respectively. Hence, it takes three-phase energization in sequence to move the rotor by 90 degrees, and one duration of rotor movement is effectively by switching current in each phase as many times as there are number of rotor poles. The switching of current in the sequence ACB results in the reversal of rotor rotation, is seen with the add of figure 3.2a and b. Then detailed operation and torque equation and the other relevant topic will be discussed in next lecture or in discussion of switch reluctance motor.